Welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you are all having a great Thursday. I am the Vortex Trader, and we got a head and shoulders pattern playing out on GBP USD. Let's check it out. So what I am noticing, right? Remember, on the daily time frame, this pair is still trending lower, right? We are still going lower. You see, we want to trade on the right side of the market. Now, depending on what time frame you trade, always look one or two time frames time frames above. So for example, if you trade the 1 minute, check out the trend on the 5 minute and the 15 minute. If you trade the 1 hour, check out the trend on the 4 hour and the daily. I trade the 4 hour, therefore I check out the trend on the daily and the weekly. And on the daily, this pair is still bearish. Yes, we have seen some bulls come in and take some action, right? We have seen the bulls try and regain some ground. But look at what is actually going on. We still have not been able to break this previous resistance up here that was set on the 9th of July. So what I'm going to do is let's set a Come on. Let's set a line there where we can actually see clearly where this resistance lies, right? Because it's right here. There we go. You see that? So price is trying to come back up here and break this previous area here, but we have not managed to do it just yet, right? So what we are looking at is, since we hit the bottom on the 14th, we have been trending upwards, yes, but we have made what looks like a head and shoulders pattern, right? And because I know that previous resistance is right next door, right, and we have not broken it, I'm still bearish. I'm still looking for short positions. I'm not trying to catch the bottom, right? I'm just looking at positions that the charts show us and trying to take advantage of these opportunities. So what did I notice? A head and shoulders. Very simple. We have our left shoulder, we have our head, right? The top of the head tried to break this previous resistance, which it could not do. We came back down, formed our right shoulder, and now we are breaking below. Now, this yellow line right here is what I call the neckline, right? This is our neckline for the head and shoulders pattern. And some of you may be thinking, but Vortex Trader, it seems that the neckline looks like an ascending trend line. And yes, that is true, right? My neckline is ascending, okay? I am covering wicks and closes of candles just above the wicks, trending upwards, because that is what the pattern has done. We do not need to have a perfectly flat horizontal neckline all the time. That is not needed, right? Neckline zones can be at an angle, which we can see this one surely is. Now, there is something else that is quite interesting, right? If we look a little bit higher, we also have this double top. There was a double top right at the head, right here, right? We saw a break and close. Now, I'm just to show you guys where this thing closed and retraced to, because it is quite interesting to see it play out. Look how perfectly this retrace came back up into the neckline, right? I'm going to make this one red. All right, look at this. We broke below it, we retraced back into it, and now we are trending down. So we had two bits of confluences, right? We had a double top as well as our bigger head and shoulders formation. So I did not manage to catch this double top. However, there is still a head and shoulders, and currently, as it is playing out, I am in profit. Now, my target for the head and shoulders is previous price structure set back on the 15th. There was a lot of liquidity around here. You can see by these wicks, right? So I'm not expecting to hold it all the way down here, right? I just want to catch a bit of this action. And if we can drop just a bit lower, I will consider taking profits and closing out this position at a 1 to 5, it seems. Now, this one is quite a nice RR. Yes, we could go lower, but remember, I am conservative. I don't necessarily expect price to go all the way down to the bottom of those wicks. So what I'm going to do right now is just lift up my target, just like so, drag that there, okay? So around the 182, 181 level, this is where I will be taking my profits off of the table. So let's see how this plays out. All right, we have something that does concern me just a little bit, is this very strong bar of bullish volume. Okay, it is one thing that is so far going against me, because we can see this bar has been higher than all these previous bars of volume set back in the last few days, right? However, we still have strong bearish volume set down here, and we have not yet broken that, and we are still bearish on the higher time frames. Therefore, I have to take the position, right? My rules say if the opportunity presents itself, take the position. Right? Manage your risk. Notice where I place my stop, right? Just a few pips above this resistance zone right here, which is the double top neckline, just a few pips above it. Right, so let's see how it's going right now. Currently, if I drag my position tool right there, we can see we are already 1 to 1.8, nearly 1 to 2 risk to reward already in the green. All right, but remember, this is the 4 hours, so this could take some time to play out. So remember, guys, be patient, and when you see a pattern, backtest the pattern. If it fits within your list of rules and criteria that you have written down for yourself, jump in. Practice on a demo, practice on very small lots, get your psychology right, and then jump in. That's the only way we learn how to swim, right? We got to jump in. So guys, on that note, let me wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all again for watching. If you haven't done so already, please would you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these infamous head and shoulder patterns. All right, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.